Hi, my name is Chase. I was wondering, why is the kitchen outside?
Mount Vernon's kitchen, like a lot of kitchens in houses in the American South in the 18th century, was outside for a variety of reasons. First and foremost is you have a fire burning in your kitchen all day, every day, pretty much. And in the summer, it's really hot and you don't want that heat inside the house. Also, you have a fire burning all day, every day. That puts the building that the kitchen is in at risk for fire itself. So you want to remove that constantly burning fire from your dwelling house to your kitchen house. And then a third reason is that in most cases, it's enslaved individuals who are doing that work. And over the course of the early 18th century, we see a lot of service functions that are being done by enslaved Africans and African Americans being removed from the household. And we start to see the beginning of segregation between the races in these work buildings. So the kitchen is moved outside, and we know that Washington built a second kitchen in the cellar, but there's some question as to how long that was used. But the kitchen that is here behind me is placed where it is for very specific reasons. If we look at the mansion, we're going to see that it's on the end of the house, at the end of the mansion, where the dining room is. And there's a door right outside the dining room that runs along this colonnade and right into the kitchen, so that the enslaved cooks and the enslaved butler who's delivering food are going to be able to run back and forth in all weathers. The other thing that's important about the kitchen is that on the other end, just on the opposite end of the kitchen, that's the location of the smokehouse. And that's important because that's where they're storing meat, and that meat can just be taken right into the kitchen for soaking and for preparation for dinner. So everything's all lined up on an axis outside of the south end of the mansion. And we know archaeologically that there was an earlier kitchen that stood here from most likely this has always been the location of the exterior kitchen for the entire history of the property.
Click the subscribe button below and the bell icon to get notifications for new videos about George Washington and behind-the-scenes work at Mount Vernon.